Hey folks, this is just a quick video to show you the work I did on the Esprit today, Sunday, which is to pull both of the fuel tanks out. I think I know why the previous owner parked this car 5 years ago and didn't move since. I gotta believe that the tank slowly leaked and he shut it down. Combine that with the fact that when he changed oil, he probably saw there was coolant in it. And it probably seemed like there was a host wrong with this vehicle. And I mean, there is, no doubt about it. But yeah, don't think those are savable. I saw some online, some stainless steel ones. So I'll probably order those. They're like $800, but yeah, geez. So that's funny. This is the driver's side, and this one on the base doesn't appear to be leaking yet, but the top is shot. And this one, the top, looked nice and solid. This was on the driver's side, or the passenger side. And I saw this and said, well, there might actually be a chance that we can save this one. And when I got it out, I saw that. So, no saviors. I'll have to take the fuel. I can cut this open and get the fuel pump out and just try it out to see if it works. I don't think it would at this point, but you never know. I'll at least get a part number off it so I know what kind of fuel pump to get. All right. Job well done. So that's what it looks like with both fuel tanks out. Now, I mean, the car is starting to really look bare, and that's good because I can clearly see what bolts I need to get to in order to pull the body off the chassis itself. And it's going to get a lot of attention. Anywhere you see red, I'll probably paint it black. Almost definitely going to go with paint this car yellow again. It's going to be a little darker yellow, maybe a little bit of more orange to it, not something quite as light as this. I think the yellow on top of the red gives it like a green tinge, and I want it to be like a deep yellow. So, but yeah, there's the chassis. There can't be too many bolts holding it in anymore, but yeah.